Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Thursday morning, October 16th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of technology news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline. Telvantis Inc. terminates Regulation A offering, returns 250,000 unsubscribed shares to Treasury. Telvantis Inc., a Florida-based technology-driven telecommunications and enterprise solutions provider, announced the termination of its Regulation A offering. The company returned 250 million unsubscribed shares to Treasury and operates debt-free. Telvantis, known for its advanced 5G technologies and cloud-based communications platforms, is poised for growth in the telecommunications industry. Investors should be cautious of forward-looking statements and market conditions. For more information, visit Telvantis website or contact Investor Relations.
Critical Infrastructure Technologies joins Latvian delegation at European Defence Week 2025 in Paris. Critical Infrastructure Technologies Ltd., a leading developer of autonomous, high-capacity mobile communications and security platforms, will be part of the Latvian delegation at European Defence Week 2025 in Paris. The event aims to strengthen cooperation and accelerate dual-use technology development. Cytech's participation highlights its growing engagement in the European defense and security ecosystem. The company's Nexus 20 rapid deployment platform, incorporating multi-role communications and surveillance systems, is designed for rapid field deployment. CEO Brenton Scott expressed pride in representing Latvia's contribution to European defense innovation. Latvia's strategic role in NATO and the EU, along with its leadership in the European Drone Coalition, underscores the nation's commitment to regional defense cooperation, in which Cytech plays a vital role.
UMAX partners with LifeLock to deliver built-in identity protection and encrypted private browsing for all Internet customers. UMAXX, the nation's most secure and fastest-growing 5G Internet provider, has partnered with LifeLock to offer built-in identity protection and private browsing capabilities to all customers. This industry-leading offering brings identity theft protection and personal privacy tools directly into customers' hands, making UMAX the first Internet provider to offer this level of protection as part of every plan. With more than 75 million Americans affected by identity theft, UMAX's new offering includes LifeLock identity theft protection and the $1 Million Protection Package, along with Norton Encrypted Private Network. By integrating cybersecurity directly into every plan, UMAX is redefining what consumers should expect from an Internet provider, delivering a personal digital fortress for customers and their families.
Introducing Dead Click Revival. New tool revolutionizes remarketing tactics with unprecedented identification abilities. Dead Click Revival, launched in May 2025, is revolutionizing how businesses collect and utilize visitor data for marketing and sales strategies. This visitor re-identification tool traces Internet protocol addresses back to real individuals, providing valuable information such as names, email addresses, and more. Founder Megan Gaffney emphasizes the importance of moving beyond basic data like age and gender. With Dead Click Revival, businesses can enhance their operations and increase ROI by leveraging the detailed information provided. Partnering with Pocket Hercules, clients can craft engaging follow-up messages to solidify consumer relationships. Restricted industries have found success using DCR to navigate digital advertising restrictions. Dead Click Revival offers a unique solution for lead generation and customer engagement across various industries.
Airbus Defence and Space and Omnitronics sign MOU to advance interoperability in critical communications. Airbus Defence and Space and Omnitronics have signed a memorandum of understanding to advance interoperability in critical communications. The collaboration aims to develop gateways that connect AgNet and Tetra technologies by Airbus with standards like P25 and DMR, along with Omnitronic's radio dispatch management systems. This partnership seeks to enhance communication capabilities in mission-critical environments. Airbus Defence and Space, known for secure communication platforms, joins forces with Omnitronics, a leader in radio over IP and dispatch systems. Together, they plan to deliver flexible solutions tailored to customer needs. This strategic step towards interoperability will benefit various sectors by improving operational efficiency and safety. AppMakers USA celebrates 11 years of building scalable, AI-driven apps across education and enterprise. AppMakers USA, founded in 2014 by CEO Daniel Hyam, celebrates 11 years of building scalable, AI-driven apps across education and enterprise. From a mobile app design firm to a full-service development company, they empower startups and businesses to bring app ideas to life. Their portfolio spans education, entertainment, and enterprise, showcasing their ability to cater to various industries. By embracing AI and cross-platform development, AppMakers USA stays ahead of market trends, creating apps like EchoJournal with natural language processing. Their commitment to quality and long-term partnerships sets them apart, with many clients continuing to work with them through multiple product cycles. With a 4.85 client satisfaction rating, AppMakers USA's growth over the last 11 years is a result of nurtured relationships and delivered results.
Netcom Learning marks Cybersecurity Month with 25% off Cisco security courses and exclusive live podcast. Netcom Learning is celebrating Cybersecurity Month 2025 by offering a 25% discount on Cisco security courses until October 31, 2025. IT professionals and organizations can take advantage of this limited-time offer to enhance their security posture. The courses cover a range of topics such as implementing Cisco security core technologies, cyber ops using Cisco security technologies, and more. Additionally, Netcom Learning is hosting a live virtual podcast on October 28, 2025, titled Cybersecurity in the Age of AI, Real Threats, Real Solutions, where experts will discuss how AI is impacting cyber defense. To reserve a spot or schedule a free consultation for upskilling, visit Netcom Learning's website.
Electronic Frontier Limited leverages incognito software systems via BMCom to advance UK service provider device management. Electronic Frontier Limited, a UK telco altnet market distributor, has chosen Incognito Software Systems' digital experience solution to offer premium device management services to broadband provider customers. This solution provides centralized visibility and control over broadband devices, enabling faster service activation, proactive Wi-Fi management, and reduced operational costs. The cloud-based platform will be managed by BMCom. Mark Torrens, VP of EMEA Sales at BMCom, expressed confidence in Incognito's platform to meet EFL's needs, supporting existing TR069 technologies and next-generation standards like TR369/USP. Connor McCann, General Manager of EFL, highlighted the importance of Incognito's comprehensive device management tools for today's broadband market. Incognito Software Systems has over 200 customers worldwide, including America Movil, Cox, Digicel, Globe, and Orange, leveraging its solutions to introduce innovative broadband services over fiber and 5G fixed wireless access technologies.
Infocon to publish its results for the third quarter of 2025 on Thursday, October 23, 2025. Infocon will be publishing its results for the third quarter of 2025 on Thursday, October 23, 2025. The media release and presentation will be available at 7 a.m. CEST, followed by a web conference via Microsoft Teams at 9:30 a.m. CEST. The web conference will be conducted in English. Infocon is a leading provider of innovative instrumentation and critical sensor technologies. For more information and to access the web conference, visit www.infocon.com/webconference. Stay updated with Infocon's communication calendar and sign up for email alerts on their website. Infocon's registered shares, IFCN, are listed on SIX Swiss Exchange.
A news breaks. Beeline Holdings Inc., BLNE, to share compelling story at upcoming summit. Beeline Holdings, trading on Nasdaq under the symbol BLNE, is expanding its offerings with new initiatives like Beeline Equity, allowing homeowners to sell up to 49% of their equity to investors. The company also introduced Blink QC, an AI-powered quality control tool, and Bob, an AI chatbot for mortgage applicants. Beeline executives will present at the Centurion One Capital 3rd Annual Bahamas Summit on October 28 to 29, 2025, to discuss their growth strategy. CEO Nick Luza, COO Jess Kennedy, and CFO Christopher Moe will meet with investors and participate in panel discussions. For more information, visit Beeline's newsroom at the provided link.
Mission IR News Breaks, Global Tech Corp GTK strategy accelerates growth across AI, e-commerce, and cloud computing. Global Tech Corporation, a U.S.-based holding company, is accelerating growth across AI, e-commerce, and cloud computing. Their strategy involves acquiring or collaborating with technology platforms that show robust operations and growth potential. Recent initiatives include the launch of an AI and big data center of excellence in Pakistan, aimed at accelerating digital transformation and enterprise AI adoption. Global Tech's roadmap targets assets in AI-driven compliance, e-commerce, and digital lending. This approach positions Global Tech to monetize its platforms through capital market access, multi-service operations, and participation in the digital value chain, from broadband networks to cloud computing. Mission IR News Breaks, why Westvault Mining Inc., OTCQM, WVMDF, is one to watch. Westvault Mining Inc., a development stage gold company trading on the TSX.V under the symbol WVM and on the OTCQX under the symbol WVMDF, is implementing a low-risk, cash-conservative strategy. The company focuses on acquiring, advancing, and holding high-quality gold projects in prime jurisdictions to maximize shareholder returns. Since its inception in 2009, Westvault has concentrated on opportunities in North America's top gold-bearing regions, leading to the development of its flagship Hasbrouck Gold project in Nevada. This project is fully permitted and ready for construction. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Isotropic Corp. ISO, OTCQF, advances AI-powered breast CT innovation and reinforces its commitment to safer, smarter cancer imaging. Isotropic Corp is advancing AI-powered breast CT innovation with its IsoView system, designed to prioritize safety and precision in cancer imaging. By utilizing a trade secret reconstruction algorithm and AI-native design, Isotropic aims to dominate the future of breast imaging technology. Recent studies show that AI-assisted mammography can boost accuracy by 18%, revolutionizing cancer detection. With a focus on reducing radiation exposure in CT scans, Isotropic's technology presents a solution for optimizing breast images. The company's commitment to innovation and accessibility in breast diagnostics underscores its mission to redefine cancer imaging. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at ibn.fm/IZOZF.
Cetera Intelligent Data Platform now available on AWS Marketplace. Cetera, a leader in intelligent data management, has announced that the Cetera Intelligent Data Platform is now available in AWS Marketplace. This platform delivers a secure, compliant, and scalable data fabric across various environments, offering seamless integration, centralized control, automated protection, and intelligent insights. AWS customers can now access the Cetera Intelligent Data Platform and enterprise data services directly within AWS Marketplace, streamlining purchase and management. Simon Michelson, VP, Alliances at Cetera, stated that this move is about unlocking a future driven by data intelligence. The platform is now generally available in AWS Marketplace, empowering enterprises to innovate and harness the full potential of their data estate. For more information, visit Tira's website.
Open Compute Project Foundation and OIX announced strategic alliance. Today, the Open Compute Project Foundation, OCP, and OIX Association announce a new collaboration as alliance partners to develop a unified, co-branded open standard. This standard harmonizes the OIX2 data center standard with OCP Ready TM-v2 for hyperscale requirements, focusing on metro edge facilities. The aim is to simplify implementation for data center operators, facilitating massive scale interconnection between networks for hyperscale users. OIX Vice Chairman of the Board, Eli D. Scherer, expressed excitement for this new standard, aligning with OCP's goal of providing open access to operational best practices. The OCP ReadyTM program, Shaping Data Center Design, now includes AI requirements. This collaboration will advance by offering a new Metro Edge data center site assessment specifically addressing hyperscale network requirements. This partnership aims to simplify and standardize data center assessments at the Metro Edge, empowering hyperscale data center operators to efficiently support interconnection needs.
Blue Sky AI Inc., BSAI, is revolutionizing AI computing with a focus on modular data center design and the NeoCloud. Blue Sky AI Inc. is revolutionizing AI computing with a focus on modular data center design and the NeoCloud. Positioned to build AI-ready compute factories from the ground up, Blue Sky AI aims to help entities with data-intensive requirements and low latency improve performance and efficiency. The company's NeoCloud, a cloud built from scratch based on AI needs, offers advantages like scalability, flexibility, cost efficiency, optimization, and seamless integration. Blue Sky AI, listed as BSAI on the OTC, plans to establish 20 or more AI-ready data centers called SkyMods, integrated into the NeoCloud. These data centers are designed to meet the high compute demands of AI, which traditional data centers struggle to support. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Duos Technologies to present at LD Micro Main Event Zeit-10. Duos Technologies Group Inc. will present at the 19th Annual LD Micro Main Event on October 21st at 2:30 p.m. PT. President Doug Recker and CFO Adrian Goldfarb will discuss the company's operational progress and growth across edge data centers. Investors can also meet with management to talk about financial outlook and long-term value creation. The event will feature around 120 companies presenting in half-hour increments and one-on-one investor meetings. To learn more about Duos Technologies, visit their website and social media channels.
Investor News Breaks. Alliance Creative Group, OTCGX, expands digital portfolio with acquisition of 3 industry websites. Alliance Creative Group Inc., ACGX, has expanded its digital portfolio by acquiring 3 established online platforms serving the hospitality, education, and legal sectors. The strategic acquisition, completed through cash and restricted stock, includes a consulting agreement to align long-term interests. CEO Paul Sorkin stated, "These acquisitions are crucial to our foundation as we modernize and grow in these industries." The acquired sites will undergo upgrades with enhanced technology, AI integration, and improved monetization strategies to boost engagement and performance. ACGX continues to build its media, marketing, and digital asset ventures globally while maintaining holdings in Peoplevine, Say Less Spritz, and Connect Gifting.
Biomed News Breaks. Adagi's CEO discusses AI-driven solutions for value-based care in latest Bell to Bell podcast. Adagis, a healthcare technology company, is featured in the latest episode of the Bell to Bell podcast. In the interview, Adagis CEO Shane Spears discusses how their AI-powered platform simplifies delivering value-based care by digitizing insurance and compliance processes. Spears notes that Adagis currently supports over 580,000 patient lives. The conversation explores Adagis' scalable model, rapid growth, and mission to make value-based care accessible to all providers. Adagis focuses on addressing inefficiencies in care delivery through AI and machine learning, empowering healthcare providers to enhance patient outcomes and drive increased revenue. For more information, visit adagis.com. ITS Logistics October Port Rail Ramp Index, low import volumes and CDL scrutiny shake up peak season. ITS Logistics released its October forecast in the U.S. Port Rail Ramp Freight Index, showing a continued downward trend in import volumes. This is leading to tighter assessment of accessorial fees by ports during peak season. The evolving regulatory environment around non-domiciled CDLs is also causing lower cost capacity to leave the market, raising the risk of financial insolvency for carriers. These factors are squeezing the drayage market, potentially causing issues for shippers. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration's emergency ruling on CDL eligibility has led to enforcement efforts across states, impacting the capacity market. Import volumes are projected to continue dropping, with ocean carriers enforcing accessorial schedules strictly. ITS Logistics recommends shippers review their supply chains for inefficiencies that could be penalized. Visit the ITS Logistics website for a full copy of the index with expected forecasts for U.S. port and rail ramps.
Biomed news breaks. Humacyte Inc., NASDAQ UMA, announces $60 million registered direct offering of common stock and warrants. Humacyte Inc. has announced a $60 million registered direct offering of common stock and warrants. The offering, oversubscribed, involves 28,436,018 shares of common stock and accompanying warrants at $2.11 per unit. The warrants become exercisable 180 days after issuance with an exercise price of $2.11 per share and an expiration date of April 7, 2031. Gross proceeds are expected to reach $60 million before fees and expenses, with the closing expected around October 8, 2025. D. Boral Capital LLC is the exclusive placement agent for the offering. Humacyte Inc. is a biotechnology platform company developing bioengineered human tissues for medical applications with a focus on improving patient lives and transforming medicine practices. For more information, visit humacyte.com.
Should you include platinum in your safe haven portfolio? The recent surge in the price of platinum, with an 85% climb this year, has investors questioning if they should add this precious metal to their safe haven assets like gold. To make an informed decision, it's important to compare platinum and gold. You can get exposure to platinum in various ways, from buying the physical metal to investing in ETFs or shares of companies that extract the metal, like Platinum Group Metals Limited American PTM, PLG. Remember to do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. Genesis Holdings Inc. signs strategic letter of intent with Metro Spaces Inc., marking its entry into real estate tokenization. Genesis Holdings Inc. has signed a letter of intent with Metro Spaces Inc., marking its entry into real estate tokenization. Under the agreement, Genesis will acquire Metro Spaces' intellectual property assets for $1 million in preferred stock, convertible at a 15% discount to market. Once the deal closes, Mr. Oscar Brito will become CEO of Genesis. This move positions Genesis as an early player in a market projected to exceed $20 billion by 2030. Mr. Brito brings over 2 decades of experience in luxury real estate, overseeing more than $900 million in transactions. Genesis plans to relaunch MetroCrowd and MetroHouse, introduce innovative financing models, and create a transparent, asset-backed investment platform for long-term value creation. Metro Spaces Inc. announces transformational agreement, marking its corporate rebirth. Metro Spaces Inc. has announced a transformative agreement with Genesis Holdings Inc. to sell MetroCrowd and MetroHouse for $1 million in convertible preferred stock. This deal marks a significant step in rebuilding the company, providing access to funding and a clear business plan. CEO Oscar Brito will lead both companies post-transaction, ensuring operational efficiency and synergy. Metro Spaces will retain abode stays, focusing on high-end short-term residences. The future looks promising for Metro Spaces as it moves forward with renewed strength and structure, thanks to the support of its shareholders. Gurobi signs partnership agreement with Grid. Gurobi Optimization has signed a partnership agreement with Grid, an AI optimization company specializing in infrastructure solutions. Grid, known for its AI optimization solutions in the infrastructure sector, leverages digital twins and deep learning to predict and optimize complex planning operations. The partnership aims to meet optimization demands in energy and social infrastructure sectors, focusing on areas like social infrastructure optimization, digital twin integration, and cost reduction. Grid's CTO, Ryosuke Umeda, expressed excitement about evolving their solutions with Gurobi, while Gurobi's CEO, Duke Perucci, highlighted the value of combining both companies' technologies. Founded in 2009, Grid focuses on optimizing operations in various sectors, while Gurobi's decision intelligence technology helps customers make optimal business decisions quickly. For more information, visit Grid's website at gridpredict.jp/en and Gurobi's website at gurobi.com.
Intellum partners with FreshCognate to deliver data-driven learning strategies. Intellum, the leading enterprise learning management platform, has announced a strategic partnership with FreshCognate, an educational strategy and design company. This collaboration aims to provide enterprises with data-driven learning strategies that drive measurable business impact at scale. FreshCognate specializes in high-quality, high-impact learning experiences, aligning every initiative with clear business objectives. By combining Intellum's industry-leading platform with FreshCognate's expertise, clients can expect engaging, scalable learning initiatives that deliver tangible results. This partnership offers Intellum customers access to strategic consulting, creative design, and personalized solutions built to evolve alongside their business goals. Together, Intellum and FreshCognate are shaping the future of learning. Carl Blackburn creates modern, in-trend engagement rings. La Jolla jewelry designer Carl Blackburn is shifting his focus to create modern, in-trend engagement rings that reflect the individuality of today's couples. Drawing on estate jewelry expertise, Blackburn's designs unite contemporary aesthetics with enduring craftsmanship. Incorporating top bridal trends of 2025, his custom rings feature multi-stones, unique shapes, minimalist solitaires, and colored gemstones. Embracing open-band wedding rings and spacer bands, Blackburn's collaborative process merges artistry with technology, offering clients a detailed preview of their ring before production. With a commitment to affordability and tradition, Blackburn sources gemstones ethically and guides clients through a transparent, personalized experience. Bridging eras in San Diego's jewelry scene, Carl Blackburn's modern designs embody contemporary elegance and timeless values. The rise of collaborative intelligence, how enterprise consulting is powering the next wave of B2B growth. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, collaboration has become the new competitive advantage. The traditional model of siloed decision-making is giving way to a more integrated, data-driven approach. B2B companies are now combining human insight with strategic consulting and intelligent automation for long-term success. Modern consulting firms are leveraging AI, automation, and data integration to create smarter decision-making frameworks. This shift isn't just improving efficiency, it's reshaping how organizations align strategy, culture, and technology to drive sustainable growth. The best consulting models now function like dynamic ecosystems, enabling continuous adaptation and real-time strategy evolution. Consultants are using AI-powered tools to identify inefficiencies and untapped opportunities, while human advisors interpret findings to align with leadership goals. The future of B2B strategy lies in collaboration and balancing analytics with authenticity, precision with creativity.
Exozymes Inc. partners with B2I Digital to spotlight the cell-free next generation of biomanufacturing. Exozymes Inc. has partnered with B2I Digital to showcase their cell-free AI-guided platform for biomanufacturing. Exozymes targets low-volume, high-value natural products with potential pharmaceutical applications. This partnership aims to introduce Exozymes to sophisticated investors interested in sustainable industrial biotechnology. By utilizing advanced enzymes called exozymes, Exozymes offers a scalable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional petrochemical processes. Their innovative approach frees enzyme-driven reactions from cellular limitations, allowing for the production of essential natural products, medicines, and biofuels. B2I Digital's featured company profile will highlight Exozymes' groundbreaking technology and commercial potential within the investment community.
Legacy Motor Club and Rexel announced partnership for 2026 NASCAR season. Legacy Motor Club announced a new partnership with Rexel USA for the 2026 NASCAR Cup Series season. Rexel will be the primary partner of the number 42 Toyota Camry XSE, driven by John Hunter Nemechek on August 15th at Richmond Raceway, and an associate partner at Las Vegas Motor Speedway in October. The Richmond race will feature a blue, white, and gold Rexel-branded livery on the number 42 car, showcasing Rexel's commitment to innovation and technology. Jimmy Johnson, owner of Legacy Motor Club, expressed excitement about welcoming Rexel into the family, highlighting their focus on energy solutions. Rexel's CEO, Roger Little, and VP Marketing, Kevin Gustin, also shared their enthusiasm for the partnership, emphasizing the alignment of values and the opportunity to raise national profile. Nemechek, thrilled about the new partnership, looks forward to representing Rexel at Richmond and highlighting their focus on progress and technology. The collaboration between Legacy Motor Club and Rexel signifies a shared pursuit of innovation, performance, and progress in the energy landscape, engaging fans and customers through unique storytelling and technology-driven activations.
Americans see promise in robotics, but few expect their own jobs to change, according to Pittsburgh Robotics Network report. The Pittsburgh Robotics Network released its 2025 AI and Robotics Sentiment Survey, showing Americans are hopeful about robotics and AI, but only 12% believe their own jobs will be displaced. Respondents are split on whether robotics and AI will be positive or negative, with 44% expecting more manufacturing to return to the U.S., and 62% preferring robotics made domestically. While excited about robotics in hazardous environments and space exploration, there are concerns about self-driving cars and military use. The study included 642 American adults and 669 on AI, with a margin of error of ±4% nationally. The Pittsburgh Robotics Network aims to drive growth in Pittsburgh's robotics ecosystem.
Q&A with Matthew Kinsella, Chief Executive Officer of Inflection. Matthew Kinsella, CEO of Inflection, discusses the company's leadership in neutral atom-based quantum technology, offering adaptable solutions for governments, enterprises, and research institutions. Inflection's pursuit of a business combination to go public aligns with the growing demand for quantum solutions across various sectors. With a focus on neutral atom technology, Inflection aims to achieve quantum advantage in precision sensing and computing. Collaborating with NVIDIA, Inflection is advancing the convergence of quantum and classical computing, paving the way for fault-tolerant quantum systems. The company's recent breakthrough in logical qubits positions them ahead of schedule, with a roadmap targeting 30 logical qubits by 2026 and 1,000 by 2030, accelerating innovation in quantum computing.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.